In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to insert a link, hyperlink, in Google Sheets. Adding a hyperlink is a simple way to connect your spreadsheet to a website, a document, or any online resource. It keeps your sheet clean and readable, while giving anyone viewing it a quick path to more information. I'll walk you through the process and share a few helpful tips so your links look professional and work reliably. First, click the cell where you want to add a link. Choose a cell that makes sense in the context of your data. For example, the cell next to a product name or report title. You can place a link in any single cell, and if there's already text inside, you'll be able to turn that text into a clickable link. Next, open the link tool. Press Ctrl+K on your keyboard to bring up the link box. If you're on a Mac, Command+K does the same thing. You can also use the insert link icon in the toolbar at the top if you prefer clicking. Any of these methods will open a small dialog where you'll add your link details. Now paste your URL into the box. Make sure you include the full address, starting with HTTP or HTTPS, and remove any extra spaces you might have copied by accident. If you're linking to a specific page or file, it's best to copy the URL directly from your browser's address bar so you know it's accurate. A clean, correct URL ensures the link won't break later. In the text box, type the name you want people to see. This is the friendly label that appears in the cell instead of the long web address. Choose something clear and descriptive, like View Report, Product Page, or Project Brief. Using meaningful text not only looks better, it also helps anyone scanning the sheet quickly understand where the link goes. Finally, click Apply. You'll see the cell update with your chosen text, typically underlined and colored to indicate it's clickable. Hovering over it will show a preview of the destination, and clicking it will open the link in your browser. If you ever need to adjust the link or the display text, click the cell and use the small link options that appear to edit. That's all there is to it. By selecting the cell, opening the link tool, pasting your URL, setting clear display text, and applying the change, you create clean, useful hyperlinks that keep your spreadsheet organized and easy to navigate.